Elon Musk is a complex figure. He's a brilliant engineer and entrepreneur. He's revolutionizing space travel with SpaceX. He's pushing the boundaries of electric vehicles with Tesla. But Musk's vision extends beyond technology. He's deeply concerned about the future of humanity. This is where things get interesting. Musk's worldview is heavily influenced by philosopher Nick Bostrom. Bostrom is known for his work on existential risks, like artificial intelligence. He founded the Future of Humanity Institute at Oxford University. Musk donated £1 million to the FHI in 2015. He's a big believer in Bostrom's ideas, but Bostrom and the FHI have faced serious criticism. Some of Bostrom's past writings are seen as promoting eugenics, which is super messed up. The FHI shut down in 2023 after Bostrom resigned amidst a racism scandal. So what exactly does Musk believe? Two key ideas are long-termism and effective altruism. Long-termism focuses on the distant future. It prioritizes existential threats to humanity's survival. Effective altruism aims to do the most good possible with limited resources. Sounds good on paper, right? Here's the catch. Critics argue that long-termism can neglect present-day suffering. They say it's a convenient way for billionaires like Musk to justify their wealth while ignoring immediate problems like poverty and climate change. Effective altruism has also come under fire. It's been associated with controversial figures like Sam Bankman-Fried, the disgraced cryptocurrency mogul. Musk's political leanings have also stirred controversy. He openly supported Donald Trump in the 2024 US presidential election. This shocked many people. Trump is a polarizing figure, to say the least. Musk's support for Trump seemed to align with his own maverick image. Some speculated that Musk saw Trump as a disruptor, someone who challenged the status quo, but critics accused Musk of prioritizing his own interests over democratic values. They saw his support for Trump as reckless and irresponsible. Musk's political involvement raised questions about the influence of wealth and technology on democracy. Elon Musk's legacy is complicated. He's a visionary entrepreneur who's pushing the boundaries of technology. But his beliefs and actions have also sparked intense debate. His association with controversial figures like Nick Bostrom and Donald Trump has raised red flags. His embrace of long-termism and effective altruism has drawn criticism. Musk's critics argue that his focus on the distant future blinds him to the pressing issues of today. They question whether his brand of philanthropy is truly effective or just a way to enhance his own image. Love him or hate him, Elon Musk is a force to be reckoned with. His story is a cautionary tale about the power and peril of unchecked ambition.